Keep vinyl plank bathroom flooring looking new by following a few precise maintenance routines every week and after spills. Start by sweeping or vacuuming with the hard floor setting at least once a week to remove grit that scratches the surface and focus on corners where dust collects. For daily or spot cleaning, use a damp mop with a pH-neutral cleaner specifically labeled safe for vinyl plank. Avoid soaking the floor and change mop water frequently so you are not spreading dirty water. When you wipe up spills, blot first with a soft cloth and then follow with the damp mop to prevent staining and water intrusion at seams. For stubborn stains like marker or dried cosmetics, use a soft nylon brush and the same gentle cleaner, rubbing lightly along the plank grain rather than across seams. Place felt pads under vanity feet, freestanding cabinets, and any movable furniture to stop scuffs and gouges and replace those pads when they show wear. Finally, inspect perimeter edges and around fixtures every 6 months and reapply a compatible seam sealant where caulk or adhesive has shrunk or lifted so moisture cannot seep under the planks. Common mistakes include using steam cleaners, which can pry up seams and warp core materials. Stop using a steam device and switch to damp mopping. People also apply abrasive powder cleansers or strong ammonia products that dull the wear layer. Switch immediately to a pH-neutral vinyl cleaner and gently buff with a microfiber cloth. A third issue is allowing standing water to sit after a shower or leak, which can penetrate edges and cause buckling. Dry the area promptly, check and repair caulk lines. And if planks have lifted, address them quickly to prevent further moisture damage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on bathroom flooring and other home projects, and we provide a community discussion area where people share real maintenance tips and product experiences. We also help contractors find leads and showcase their services to homeowners searching for flooring professionals.